The International Coastal Cleanup Day is celebrated on the third Saturday of every September. This year being the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and also that we have entered the Amrit Kal of Indian independence. The Ministry of Earth Sciences has celebrated the International Coastal Cleanup Day for a period of 75 days. The campaign started on 5th of July and has ended today, being the International Coastal Cleanup Day. This campaign was held successfully at 75 places all over India. As you may be knowing, the Government of India is having a lot of emphasis on the blue economy, which is going to be, suppose, one of the most important areas of work in the next coming decade. And keeping in view, the Ministry of Earth Sciences has launched the Deep Ocean Mission, one of the important missions to explore the oceans, underlying oceans. So one of the main targets of this ocean is to develop technologies so that the manned submersible can explore the oceans up to a depth of 6,000 meters, and also develop technology to harness both the living and the non-living resources. This campaign was done in collaboration with various departments, which include the Indian Coast Guard, the Ministry of Science and Technology, the Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space, and other departments. The program on marine litter is also being carried out by the National Center for Coastal Research, one of the institutes of Ministry of Earth Sciences. And I should say that this campaign, which ended today, is not a one-off campaign, and the Government of India and the Ministry of Earth Sciences has plans to continue this campaign beyond today also. And we have planned that this awareness which we have done today among the school children, among the general masses, so it should feel them, and they should feel more enthusiastic in taking up this activity for the rest of their lives.